हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो चलो देखते हैं, एक्सक्लूसिव व्लॉग है अनंत अंबानीज वंतारा एनिमल्स एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड इमोशंस। हमने एक पहले भी ये वीडियो इस पे किया हुआ है, बहुत ही प्यारा वीडियो था। तो चलो वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो और आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से पहले सब्सक्राइब के बटन और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर लो ताकि आपको हमारे सारे न्यू वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए जैसे मैं अपलोड करूँ।
आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है प्लीज लाइक एंड शेयर। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
और दूसरे दो चैनल्स उनको भी सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, लिंक्स है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, वहाँ पे भी आपके रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियोस आ रहे हैं। ये हमने देखा था ना, उस टाइम में वो टाइगर को अटैक करने लग गया था।
How's that? So you want to see how's that? Look at your face. Look at his face. Film his face. Look at that.
तो इसमें तो डिस्टेंस
So this is
रखा
what
है।
this facility stands for. It's for the rebirth of animals that have once been tortured by people that now come to people and only associate them with food and comfort.
Can I allow him to smell me? Yes. I'm just gonna keep a little distance.
भालू।
Come here. Come. This animal's killed 23 people. Oh my God. Okay. Team Beer Biceps had the opportunity to document Vantara, but we didn't know what to expect. What we got there was one of those travel experiences that stays with you for life for the right reasons. Very, very excited. My lifelong love for wildlife has culminated
बारिश हो रही है।
meeting with Vivan Karani. Vivan Karani is one of the passionate leaders of the 3,000 plus people employed at Mandara. Since independence, the Ambani family has been one of the key factors in the story of New India. The Ambani family has honestly helped build this country, and anyone that I speak to now who has very large monetary goals in life uses the Ambani family as a bit of a reference point and an inspiration.
The nucleus of Vantara is Anant Bhai. Is his emotion, is what he believes in and what he stands for.
Anant Ambani specifically, who's known to be a lifelong animal lover, this is his own dream that's manifested. What do you think India doesn't understand about him even now?
That he's set aside all of that to work for a problem that can't voice itself. He's dedicated to animals. He's created the best facilities. You're going to see them today.
Other than seeing Vantara, this particular trip for me was about meeting Forrest Galante.
ये क्रोकोडाइल का था ना बंदा, इसने क्रोकोडाइल दिखाए थे शायद।
We're gonna be having some fun today. What's up, buddy? Let's do it. In my eyes, the most respected wildlife conservationist in the world today. I saw him on Joe Rogan for the first time, and I promise you, if you ever get through any of his podcasts with Joe Rogan, you listen to every story of his.
इसी का तो देखा था हमने जब ये आया था, मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई, मुझे लगा यहाँ पे काम करता है, नहीं ये आया था देखने।
My team just assumed that Vantara is a modern day adaptation of a zoo, which it totally isn't. Vantara is probably never going to be open to the public. This is not a zoo. Lots of positive energy. Lots of healing oriented energy, but the suffering that those animals have gone through before they arrived at Vantara is also what stays with you a bit. The unfortunate nature of the human mind and human existence stays with you a bit. Can't believe Forrest Galante is with us.
तो ये अभी तक यहीं पर ही है।
Very excited. But let's go and see the facility.
ये तो वही नहीं है जिसकी हमने वीडियो देखी थी। He's living here.
What you're going to see here at Vantara is a blueprint for animal husbandry for wild animals, not domestic animals, for wild animals that the entire world should
ये
learn
तो
from.
देखने आया था शायद। कितनी तेज बारिश हो रही है।
Sunny day, baby. Can't wait to see them. So the first animal that we actually interacted with was the rescued hippopotamus,
So this enclosure you see in front of you is dedicated to a hippo.
which, mind you, is supposed to be the most dangerous animal in the wild.
They've rescued hippos from all over the world.
There was a sense of gentleness between the hippopotamus and myself.
Huh?
I attributed that gentleness to the caretaker of the hippo, and that got us into a bit of conversation.
राम प्यारे जी इधर आइए प्लीज।
नमस्ते। कभी डर लगा इससे?
ना सर, डर नहीं लगता।
आपको कैसा लगता है?
सेवा करने में शांति मिलता है।
What he said right now कि सेवा में ही शांति है. That is the ethos of all the people that work here. Right from the top management, from the founder till every keeper, and they are the most integral people that
काम
work
करो
with
तो
us
शांति
because
तो
they are
मिलती
with
है।
the animals 24/7.
अजीब
Every
सा
doctor,
खुशी और
every mouth,
सुकून।
everybody is there like a family for that animal.
This particular one and everything that we're seeing, it's so sweet. The elephant's very cute.
याद है जो हमने देखा था कि उसने जब चेन देखी तो कैसे उसको फेंका था।
These are rescued from India?
From India, all these elephants are rescued from India. From the circuses, from the tourism industry, from the begging industry.
You know, if you've ever owned a dog, you'd know how they get to understand deeper layers of your own emotional state of being. When you are at this kind of close proximity with elephants, even if they're a little bit away from you, you kind of feel like you're being scanned by their presence. This is what led me to asking Forrest Galante about the same.
When it comes to emotional intelligence in elephants, the amount of heartbreak, the amount of suffering, the amount of joy that they feel, we can't comprehend. The happiness that first elephant you saw sitting in that hydro pool feels after a life of torture, you and I will never know.
So they're pulling out all the conchers from the legs. So you see, she's being fed on top over here. Right. There's a whistle for the association. There's one man caressing her. And there's two people cleaning out all her nails right now. All the stones that she's gone from a walk, they're cleaning it out.
You know, at one point,
stones भी लग जाते हैं उनके
he said how he got emotional near the elephant.
जो natural का वो करना चाहिए.
For the first time,
अगर nature में ऐसा होता है, then you should not fix it.
I started crying, and I'm not
do
like
what
that.
the nature
like,
does.
I don't, but the amount of energy that you feel, the change in such
अगर मिट्टी में गए मिट्टी फिर उतार रहे हैं.
I started crying. You'll see, it's unbelievable.
वो करना चाहिए.
नहीं, मुझे लग रहा है शायद टॉर्चर में हुआ हो और उसको ठीक कर रहे हैं.
This is where I started to break down when I saw this. This is the world's only spa made with high-pressure hoses, temperature-controlled filtered water for elephants to make their emotional state and physical state better.
When you enter the general area of the elephants, your heart almost feels full with love from the animals, but you also definitely feel a bit of the pain that they've experienced in their past.
There's khichdi that's made, there's popcorn, there's juice,
Popcorn?
there's laddus, whatever its nutrition requirements are calculated by our nutritionist. It's all prepared over here.
Like each elephant with
Normally
its
वो
own
फीड
diet.
जो nature में
In
खाते
my
हैं.
eyes, no bigger worship of Ganpati than this.
I believe in wildlife, I believe in Mother Nature, I believe in animals, and I believe in karma. What I see here is something very beautiful.
So do you see a real version of worship happening around you right now?
Of course.
You see a statue, Ganesha, which is an elephant god.
Elephant god, yeah.
And around you see service, which is true service to the elephant.
To the elephant, not the other way around.
ऋषि कभी बोलते हैं ना एलिफेंट गॉड में तो उसमें गुस्सा होती है. ये एलिफेंट गॉड को बोल रहा है, गोप गणेश जी हैं. ये लोग भी एलिफेंट गॉड बोल रहे हैं.
Reforesting? No.
You need somebody to pioneer the effort.
Yeah.
Over here, there's somebody that's pioneering the effort and is taking charge and taking responsibility that I'm going to speak up for these animals. I'm going to speak up for plantation.
What was that song for?
What a happy sound. Just a happy
This is
sound.
vocalization.
Hey, where are you guys? What's going on? Bedtime, something yummy over here. It could be anything. Just a happy animal.
We went for a bit of a drive in the part of the location which has been afforested. A man-made forest has been created. It's not just about the greenery you feel, it's not just about the colors, the smells, the sounds, the peace. It's also about the energy that all those trees bring. It's about the energy of the land that's been changed through afforestation. The energy that you feel is the same energy that wild boars feel when they realize, hey, that portion of land has been afforested.
Where did the wild boar come? They just
एनिमल्स को पता होता है ये फॉरेस्टेड
But that's what
नहीं है.
happens. When you allow the planet a chance to recover, things come back that you think were gone.
The Reliance team didn't bring wild boars to the location. They just arrived.
see this on the right. That's a wild owl. So we put these breeding boxes. We promote wildlife that just comes here and nests also.
कह रहे बनाए में है पर ये इनको लेके नहीं आया, उसको अपने आप लोग वहाँ पे रहने.
हमारे घर में गया था वो.
Day one had a lot to take in. I'm just very excited. I woke up with a lot of more hope today, just like this. Oh my god.
क्या है?
Those leopards, when you're sitting that close to them with your back turned away from them. Again, I repeat, this is not a zoo. It's a rehabilitation facility. It's the best rehabilitation facility in the world. There's a very primal part of you that gets switched on. You kind of feel small around all wildlife, but especially when it comes to big cats, you feel their royalty, you feel the energy.
अभी फेंस हटाते हैं पता चलेगा फीलिंग का.
And at the same time,
मैं तो बैठ ही नहीं सकती.
फीलिंग आएगी फिर.
मुझे तो शीशे से भी डर लगता है जब शीशे से थ्रू देखती हूँ.
फेंस हटाते हैं फिर सारी फीलिंग्स आ जाएंगी.
Something shifts inside you when you're around predators. Well, scared right now,
फियर ही होता है. कोई क्या
but
तो
also feeling grateful to be here.
Is that right? See, but that's problems. One of those claws pull you right in.
याद है ये के साथ हुआ था कि भालू क्या कोई अटैक करने लगा था चुपके से पीछे से, और क्रोकोडाइल भी अटैक करने वाला था.
Until it completes its biological necessity goal of killing that item and eating it. And it doesn't matter if you've hand raised it from a kitten. It doesn't matter if you have seen it for the first day.
And these are all predators that have suffered tremendously because of man-animal conflict, because of humans.
भाई खाना ही नहीं, जंगल बच्चे का है इनके लिए, क्या करेंगे animals भी.
After you've had these like near-death experiences,
You're asking how I feel about this animal? I couldn't be less afraid of this animal, and it's because of this animal, this individual. This is an animal that is completely relaxed and completely happy and shows zero signs of aggression.
Something very divine.
But you never know when they'll get एकदम से they'll opposite treat हो जाता है उनका.
In these kind of environments.
भैया ये तो बहुत ही डेंजरस, को तो देख के ही मुझे डर लगता है हमेशा ही.
जाना क्या है इनके बारे में?
थोड़ा सा अलग है सर. एलिगेटर्स और ये घड़ियाल से सब
Different than the rest.
Trust me, I know you all.
Trust me, I know you like. किसको बुला रहे हैं? और ये इजी ने तो अटैक किया था इनको.
How's that? See, you want to see crocodiles? How's that? So look at your face. Look at his face. Film his face. Look at that.
This moment with almost 100 crocodiles
100 crocodiles
staring into me.
Don't
Bye,
hang
bye.
over too much. They will jump.
They will jump.
Oh, they will jump also.
Yeah. A little bit of
और डर गया था.
primalness. in
आइज
their
देखो
eyes.
इनकी कैसी हैं, आधी बंद आधी क्लोज उस टाइप से. 1,50,000 animals rescue किए हैं. No way to
The
go
2
on
days
this.
spent with Forrest
दो
and the
दिन
other
spent.
animal experts at Vantara taught me one truth about animals, that they've all got superpowers.
What is the superpower of crocs and alligators?
They sense cold-blooded. That's the more important thing.
Forrest, what's the superpower of leopards?
Hunting instinct. You see how they look, they peek, they hide. Hunting instinct.
What's the superpower of wild boars?
That they can destroy anything.
The thick
They're
skin.
so destructive.
What's their superpower?
According to their superpower still, even a big anaconda like this can be
इनके पास anaconda भी है?
inside in as little as
Yeah.
3-4 inches of standing water. You won't even know that the snake is there.
We often think that we're the most advanced
Ah,
animal
but-
species out there simply because our measure of advancement is our ability to progress scientifically. But what if there are other modes of advancement beyond the current timeline of science? The animals that share this planet with
ये
us
क्या है?
are all advancing in their own evolutionary process. Every
becoming
species has its
smarter.
own storyline, and it should never be up to one of those species to decide the fate of the others unless that one species is leading them to a better fate. Vantara for me is a step in the right direction for the human species.
My God. काम अच्छा कर रहे हैं कि जो एनिमल्स जो हैं जिनको ज़िंदगी में बहुत टॉर्चर किया गया है, मिसयूज़ किया हुआ है, उनको यहाँ पे रख रहे हैं. पर मैं ये भी सोच रही थी बीच में जब मैंने वो जकूज़ी टाइप देखा था एलिफेंट्स के लिए, मैं कह रही थी अगर वो इतना पैसा जो खर्च करके जकूज़ी बनाया है उसको अगर इतना एक्सट्रीम ना करके कुछ और मतलब लैंड लेके और एनिमल्स की अगर हेल्प हो जाती तो वो ज़्यादा बेटर होता. मेरे दिमाग में तब उस टाइम ये आया कि इतनी लग्जरी देने की जगह लग्जरी थोड़ी कम कर दो पर और एनिमल्स को अगर हेल्प हो जाए.
जितना नेचर लग्जरी देता है उतनी देनी चाहिए.
हाँ, जितना वो नेचर में होता है उतनी दो.
Correct.
और
उससे ज़्यादा artificial हो जाता है.
उनको भी वाइल्ड लाइफ की तरह जो लिविंग है उनकी वैसी ही रहनी चाहिए. पर ये अगर देना भी है कुछ थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर सकते हो, पर जिसमें इतना एक्सपेंस हो रहा हो पता हो कि अगर इसको कम कर दें तो हम और जानवरों को हेल्प कर सकते हैं, वो वुड बी मच बेटर.
देखिए मैं तो वही है, नेचर में जो होता है
हाँ
होना चाहिए.
अब जैसे पता नहीं ये कह रहे थे कि जब उसके पैरों में से वो कहते स्टोन्स निकाल रहे हैं तो मुझे तो लगा था कि शायद ये अभी अभी कहीं से आया है जहाँ पे उसके साथ बहुत बुरा सलूक हुआ है और इसलिए उसके पत्थर निकाल रहे हैं. पर अगर ये पत्थर इसलिए निकाल रहे हैं क्योंकि वो घूम घाम के आया है और उसके पत्थर और हर एलिफेंट जो हाथी होते हैं उनके पत्थर ऐसे लगे रहते हैं और उनको फील नहीं होता या वो ऐसे ही पूरा करते हैं, तो फिर इन एनिमल्स के लिए क्यों पत्थर निकालने.
नेचर फॉर देम.
हाँ, और खाना भी वही देना चाहिए जो एनिमल जानवरों का है. क्योंकि जब उन्होंने पॉपकॉर्न कहा मुझे समझ नहीं आया यार पॉपकॉर्न कौन खाएगा पर अगर खाते हैं तो भैया नथिंग लाइक इट, फिर तो बहुत मजे ही है. पर डेफिनेटली ये उनके लिए एक होता है ना, एक जगह होती है कि भैया उनके लिए थोड़ा एंड ऑफ द लाइफ में उनको थोड़ी सहूलियत जैसे कहते हैं उस टाइप का देना, ये वो नहीं है। ये तो आपको रिजॉर्ट लिविंग मिल रही है। जैसे कई बार कहते हैं ना कि अगर आपने अच्छे कर्म किए हो तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ उस टाइप से आप अच्छे घर में जाते हो, वैसे ऐसे लगता है कि इन जानवरों को जिनको यहाँ आने को मिल रहा है, इन्होंने कुछ अच्छे कर्म किए थे कि एंड ऑफ लाइफ में या जो भी है उनको यहाँ पे आके रहने को मिला है। तो चलो यार, आप भी शेयर करना अपने थॉट्स। चलते हैं, मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बहुत ही जल्द। टिल देन टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।
तो अगर आप मेरे इस चैनल पे नए हो तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब के बटन को हिट करो और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करो, ताकि आपको मेरा जब नया वीडियो मैं लगाऊं आपको उसके बारे में जल्दी से पता चल जाए।